Hey guys, I will show you the easiest way to transfer automatically and synchronize files from one computer to another running different versions of Windows and Mac. Like for instance, we're going to synchronize files and folders from Windows XP to a computer running Windows Vista, as well as a computer running Windows XP to another computer running Windows 7, and a combination of the three, or from a Windows machine to a Mac computer within a network, or via USB cable. All this can be done using an excellent program called Uplink PC Sync. Okay, so let me show you an actual synchronization of files from my Windows XP computer and to my notebook that is running Windows 7. Please note that the PC Sync should be running on both machines, otherwise no syncing will ever occur. Right now, let's go to my PC running Windows XP. As you know, I have just opened the PC Sync in this computer, and I just simply opened and click the icon to initiate the program. Simple as that. Automatically, this will run as the host, and then I will proceed to open my other computer running Windows 7. Let me go there right now. I'm here in my Windows 7 computer, and I will open the Uplink program. So since this is my first time to connect this computer to the other computer in a local network, then I will initiate a new connection by clicking the top icon that says new. If you notice that beside this icon here it says file transfer, we'll touch on this later, and I will teach you how to do this as well. But first we'll do the syncing process. Hit new. Since I will be doing it over network, before hitting next here, make sure that you are in the same network. Usually home network, that will not be a problem, because automatically the PC Sync will locate that within a network. Hit next. The other computer is already running the PC Sync, so it will automatically detect it, but this time it didn't. I guess the other computer went on sleep mode, so I'm gonna pause this one, and I'm gonna okay guys, I just turn on the other PC because it went to sleep mode. So let me refresh this. The other computer now is running PC Sync as well. There you go. You see this? If it detects another computer that runs PC Sync, it will just show up some information here. So I'm gonna highlight it and then click OK. I do Windows log on in there, so it's just like logging on to the other computer. Hit OK. PC Sync has successfully established the connection. Would you like to save this connection? Hit save. If you notice, there's already the Jarcom Dell 1000 here. The Dell 1000 is my old notebook that is running Windows XP Pro. So okay, so I'm going to sync a folder, a laptop repair folder, to the other computer. So let's click this new sync job here. Folder A means this is your guest. This is you connecting to, this is my Windows 7 here connecting to my other computer that is running Windows XP. So what should I sync? What should I share? I'm going to select the folder. Let's say I have tutorials, laptop repair, let's say photos. I will just need to have the same photo from this computer and also this Windows XP computer. So I should select where should I'm gonna put it in the where is that, laptop repair here, tutorials, laptop repair. If you notice there's no subfolder photo, so I can create a new folder, photo, hit OK, and then hit next. Okay, meaning all the files under the photo or within the photo subfolder should sync and be the same as the files in my Windows XP. This is Windows 7 here, this is Windows XP. Okay guys, please bear with me. I'm trying to explain in the most elementary way I can so that everybody can appreciate what we're doing right now. So hit next. Okay, there's 3 ways you can share the folder or share the files inside the folder. The 2-way means whatever you change in Windows 7, as in my case, will reflect the changes in Windows XP. So whatever I change in Windows XP will automatically be updated in Windows 7. There's also 1 way. So whatever I change on Windows 7 here will be transferred to Windows XP, but whatever I change in Windows XP folder, which is photo, will not be reflected in the Windows 7. So, and there's another one that is the opposite. So I will just select this one here, and in case of conflict, always check with the user so at least you can approve it or not. Then hit next. There's a pre-schedule, you can do it every day, but I don't like that. I want to just synchronize every time or whenever I want to. Just hit or just select manual here. Hit next. All types, for whether it be photos or just all types. Okay, hit next and specify the name of the synchronization job. Let's say photos. There may be some other options here, but we're not gonna touch on that. We'll just do the basics. So I'll just hit done. Synchronization, when you double click it, hold on, close. When you highlight it and then click run, because I do it manually, so this is the status bar here. If I hit run, you notice it's going to transfer 155 photos. Please note guys, you're not limited to just only one folder. You can run multiple folders here and multiple files. So I'm just only showing you the simplest and the basic function of PC Sync, and it's how convenient it is to transfer file from one computer to another using a different operating system. So this is really applicable, guys, if you have multiple computers and you want to duplicate files and folders in each of your computers. Okay, so 150 new folders, new files, 152 with three folders. That's why it rounded up to 155. So, but okay, as I told you earlier, this file transfer is you can transfer any file from your local machine directly to your, from my Windows 7 here, which is my local machine, or my guest, to my Windows XP, that is my host. Please note that the host is the one that you connect to, so that you remove, so that you sync files from back and forth. So this is your controller, this is your control machine, which is your local host, or your local which is the guest computer. So let's, for example, take this case. I'm going to transfer in my tutorials on how to laptop repair, let's say installation guide, Windows DV9000, CD7000 installation guide. Let's take just this IBM. Okay, IBM. I'm going to transfer to the desktop. Okay, this IBM here, I'm going to try IBM T series LCD installation. I'm going to just drag it. There you go. Suppose that. Just a few notes here, guys. If you're going to transfer or to sync files from your Windows to Mac computer, please note that the Mac computer is always the host. That means you always control the transfer or the syncing from your Windows computer, whether it be Windows XP or Vista or 7. So please don't forget that. It's just so easy. Hit OK. Let me share some valuable information here, guys. If you are familiar with Dropbox, which is also a synchronization program, PC Sync is a bit basic as compared to Dropbox, but it has its own advantage and limitation over the more complex rival. If you're the type of person who does not want to expose your files in the cloud and via the internet, then I would recommend PC Sync. First and foremost, Dropbox needs an internet connection so that you can sync files via Dropbox servers. Meanwhile, PC Sync can operate without internet connection, provided the computers that you want to sync are connected in a local area network or a USB cable, ideally a uplink USB cable. I list some features under each program, so check it. Although there are some advantages of Dropbox over PC Sync, but I will touch this subject in another video tutorial. But one advantage of Dropbox is that it has free 5 GB space for you to play around. Then after a cap is reached, payment plans at $9.99 per month. I'm using the free version though, although PC Sync requires one-time fee. If you buy one license, then it is good for 3 different machines or 3 computers. If you're interested and want to know more about the PC Sync, then please click the link provided on this video, as well as in the description. Well, I use both programs in my day-to-day activities, although I found it very convenient to work around with Dropbox, but for my sensitive and personal files, I don't sync via Dropbox, but instead I use PC Sync. So that's about it, guys. I hope I gave you some good insights for your file transfer and syncing projects. For more tips and tricks, please visit my website at ifixiteasy.com. Thanks, or please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.